Good day, guys. This is a portion cause underscore SA 01. So, guys, we're back again with another video. So, guys, today we'll be just we'll be just analyzing for the week, and let's see what's happening. So, this video it's all about the week's forecast, so we can see what's going to happen this coming week. So, yeah, guys, let's see. So now, let's not okay. We'll start with currencies today. So we'll do something different, as you know that guys, it's been a while that I haven't checked currencies, right? So now let's also help those who have small accounts who are not trading NASDAQ yet and US30. But then on this video, I'll make sure that I also include the NASDAQ and US30, guys. So now we'll just start off with currencies, then we move to the indices, guys. Yeah, guys. So guys, this is the daily chart, guys. This is the daily chart. I think it will be better if we just dial on the 4 hour. Just want uh a quick thing, because if you look at the daily, that will be analysis for weeks, and I'm just focusing on this week's analysis. So guys, this is the highest point that I just want to highlight the highest point. So we analyze it the same way that we analyze NASDAQ, guys, just the same way. So yeah, guys. Let's just that's our highest point over there. Then now let's cater for our lowest point. So this is our lowest point and this is our highest point, guys. As you know, guys, currencies, they have a lot of movement, guys, so you need to be careful of those movements. So make sure that you can still see the important areas whereby you can put your major points, guys. So now you see, guys, I'm just trying to be careful about where I put my major zones, guys. You have to be careful about where you put your major zones, guys. Your major zones, guys, they have to be exact. Okay, this is where the market, if you can check, guys. So at this point, the market, let me just show you at um this point here. So I'm just trying to show you guys the touches. So you see, that's where the market touched also in this area. Let me just show you, guys. Let me just show you. Yeah. So also at this zone, guys. So guys, when doing this, make sure that you get all the important areas. Also here, guys, as you can see, guys, at this area, the market also played out there. Then also at this area, guys. So let's just send that. So guys, you can see all these points that I'm busy highlighting. So this point, it shows that it's a major zone. Always when the market touches that zone, it reacts, guys. So that's what we have on this pair. So also let's just find the trend in which the market is now moving in. So we'll just use this point and this point as our second touch, you see. So as you know, guys, if you want to know more about the currencies, guys, about the trend lines, you can just join the course, so you can know more about how to use your trend lines the best way, guys. So as you know, guys, how we trade, guys: first touch, second touch, guys. So now we're just waiting for the market to get to this area here. Let me just highlight it for you. So as you see, guys, you can see here there's a lot of movement, but then if you look closely, every time the market touches this area, there's something that it it gives us, guys. It gives us a movement that we can trade, guys, a movement that we can trade. So guys, let's just delete this one because it's just so unnecessary, guys. We have passed that point. So now we have to look for the future points that we can trade. So okay, guys, here as you can see, this is our first touch, second touch. So now expecting the third touch if the market decides to break and comes to this point. As you can see, guys, where the market is, the market has to come and touch this point. And when the market has touched that point, that's when we can expect to get the third touch there. Then that's when we can get the third touch on this trend line. But then, guys, like I always say, guys, we don't control the market. We wait for the market to give us a clear confirmation of what's going to happen. Then if it happens that the market is able to come and touch this support, then I'm just expecting to put my buys in this area here. Just expecting to put my buys so we can go for our third touch, guys. So we can go for our third touch, just like this, guys. It's not a big movement, but then if you use the right lot size, also thinking about the risk management, it can give you what you need, guys. It can pay a lot, guys. It can pay only if you're using risk management also, guys. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm expecting from EURUSD, guys. So this is what I'm expecting. So like I'm saying, if the market touches this point and give us a clear confirmation that it's going up, we enter our buys, guys. We enter our buys, and as soon as the market touches the trend line, if it gives us a confirmation that it's going to sell, that's when we'll sell from that. Let me just show you what we can do. If the market gets to this point and gives you a clear confirmation that it's going to sell, then you can put your stop loss right above this major zone, then wait for the market to come and make that touch here. Then that's when you can know if you are still going down or the market will respect this trend here. So yeah, guys, this is what I see from EURUSD. This is what I see from EURUSD, guys. So guys, this week this is what's going to happen. Expecting a buy from this point and a sell from this trend line if the market doesn't break that trend line. Okay, guys, so now let's check for another pair as we are done with EURUSD. So now let's look for another pair, guys. Let's look for another pair. Let's see which one we're going for. Let's just check gold, guys. Let's just check gold. It's also been a while I haven't traded gold, guys. So yeah, guys, I've been ignoring currencies for a while now. So you can see, guys, what was happening from gold. But then yeah, let's just clear our charts so we can start over with our analysis. Let's go to our 4 hour. So yeah, guys, let's just use this point, this highest as our current highest point, and we use this point as our current lowest point, guys, as our current lowest point. So let's just move to the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, guys, this is our 1 hour time frame, guys. So now we can just put this trend right here. Let's just put this trend right here, guys. So guys, like I said, this is gold, guys. This is gold. Let's just clone that line, guys. Let's just clone that trend line and let's see if it fits. And yeah, guys, it fits, guys. It fits. So we can use it. We can use it. So guys, as you can see, guys, at this area we have a support, and also on top here we have our resistant, guys. So on top we have a resistant. Oh, sorry about that, guys. This thing, okay, guys. So like I was still saying, on top we have a resistant, guys, just like this, guys. So the way gold is acting now, so the way gold is acting, it's just showing me buys, confirmations of buy, but then we have to wait for the market to open. As you can see, guys, let me just show you what I'm talking. As you can see from this point, guys, there's a lot of movement that's going on, guys. There's a lot of movement that's going on. So now let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens, guys. Okay, let's just remove that and also remove this. So guys, from this point, if gold doesn't decide to break that trend line, then this is what we can expect from gold. This is what we can expect. Just put this like this. So from this point, this was supposed to be your entry here, then your SL just below this support, then you take profit here at this zone right here. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting, guys. But then you know how gold moves, guys. You know how gold moves. So we're just waiting for confirmation. If you can look at this, guys. If you can look at this, if you're one of my students, you would know that okay, this it's a W formation, guys. It's a W formation. But then, guys, since we don't control the market, we have to wait for the market to give us a clear confirmation. Since you can see, guys, like I was still saying here below here, the candlestick that gold is giving us, it's giving us so many rejection candlestick. But then what we uh are looking for, we're looking for this buy. If the market decides to break below, that's when we can put ourselves right after this. After gold has broken out, it will come back for a retest. So as soon as gold breaks out, that's when we'll wait for the retest and then trade the sell. But then at the moment, since gold is still above the trend line, this is what we are expecting. So now, guys, let's move to another pair, guys. So today I will be analyzing 5 pairs, guys. 5 pairs. EURUSD, the first one, second gold. Then now let's go to GBPUSD. After GBPUSD, we'll move to NASDAQ. We'll move to NASDAQ. Okay, guys, let's just see what's going on. I can't see GBPUSD here. If you can see it, guys. What's happening? Where's this pair? Somewhere here. Oh, guys, I can't see it. Is it my eyes or what? Oh, here is it, guys. Here is it. I'm getting old. Here is it, guys. So yeah, guys, this is GBPUSD. Okay, let's just see this chart. It has. But then, guys, you can see, guys, the currencies will still have that skill in currencies. So the skill is still there, guys. It's just that if currencies, guys, they move slowly, guys, as you all know, guys. So this is the point that we have there, and this is our highest point. This is our highest point, as you know, guys. After this, we find our trend. You guys should be knowing how we do this now. It's a step-by-step thing. So guys, as you can see, this is what we see from this pair. So yeah, guys, we can just put our resistance to make it clear. Now we're just putting our resistance and supporting zones. So guys, as you can see, yeah, guys, these areas, they are just uh the support and resistant zones, guys. So even here, guys, as you can see, so guys, GBPUSD from the point where it is right now, so you can see, guys, it's just on the trend line. It's just on the trend line, guys. It's just on the trend line. So also from this pair, you can just expect the market to just give us just a little bit of a sell here and go up. But then now the market has to open. Oh, guys, there's something that I'm seeing here also. If you can check, guys, look at this point. Look at this point, guys. So from this point, let's just go to a smaller time frame so I can show you something, guys. Always be able to spot such points, guys, because as you can see how this point is, so the market from this point, it can just decide to break this this trend, guys. You have to be careful of those points, guys. So the market can decide to do this, then come here, then that's when we'll do this, guys. Because as you can see, guys, here we have. So guys, if you know what you're doing here, we can say we have a head and shoulder pattern, guys. We have a head and shoulder pattern. So as you can see, guys, this is what we are having at that point. So the market from this point, it can choose to go up, guys, because of that head and shoulder that we're having, guys. So yeah, when the market opens, we can also expect GBPUSD to go up. But then other than that, if it gives us a clear confirmation that is going down, we also write that sell, guys. As we know, guys, you should leave a space for if you think a pair is going to buy, also have many reasons and confirmations that it's going to buy. And if it might sell, also guys, be aware if it's still going to sell or what, guys. So at this point here, now you can see how the market's playing out. It's still on the buying side, guys. So it's still giving us confirmations that it's going to buy. But then if the market makers they decide to change that direction, you have to be able to see that, you have to be able to spot that, okay, the market makers, they've changed the direction, now going for a sell, and be able to trade that movement, guys. So yeah, guys, from this point, just expecting the market to go up. If it happens that it's going to a sell, we also take those sells, guys. We also take those sells. So either way, if the market is going to buy, we'll make profit from that. If the market decides to sell, we'll also make profit from that, guys. Okay, guys. Now here's the best part that you guys, I think, have been waiting for: NASDAQ, guys. So let's just go to NASDAQ and see what it has. What it has. Okay, guys. For our lowest point to our highest point. So our major zones. Our major zones. What is this thing doing here? Okay. So we have this point right here. I think I showed you guys this analysis. Oh yeah, on my previous video this weekend, I showed you this movement. So I showed you guys on this movement. If you haven't watched that video, you can also go back to that video and watch it, guys. So guys, like I said on that previous video, NASDAQ has broken out of this trend. So what we can expect from NASDAQ, we can expect it to buy to that zone, then give us a clear confirmation if it will be able, if it still has so much momentum to break that point, then that's when we can enter our positions. But then at this point, guys, when the market opens, I'm just waiting for NASDAQ to touch this point. If it happens that it still has that momentum to touch that point, then that's when we can tell, we can take our trades off a sell, either selling trades or a buying trade from our major zone right there. So guys, this is it from this is what I see from NASDAQ, guys. As you can see, guys, we got a breakout from that trend there. So we had this small trend. So yeah, guys, as you can see, guys, this thing alone, let me just show you guys, this thing alone, it's a pattern, guys. So if you have my PDF, you would know about this pattern. So this alone, guys, it's a pattern. This alone, it's a pattern, guys. So yeah, but then, guys, you can know all about that if you have my PDF, guys. If you have my PDF. So yeah, guys, this is what I see. Let's just go to H4 time frame so we can get now I see what's happening. Let's just go to 30 minutes chart, guys. Sorry for just skipping that that time frame, but there's something that I am spotting, guys, here. So guys, we have this area that NASDAQ is still trying to break. So NASDAQ at this point, it looks like it's failing to break it, but then it has to, because if you can check, let me just bring you guys closer. If you can check, guys, if you can check from the point that we are having, guys, from this point, guys, so NASDAQ broke out from the trend line. So NASDAQ broke out from the trend line, and after NASDAQ broke out from this trend line, so here's the breakout. NASDAQ turned to that resistance, respecting the resistance, then came to a retest. Now just expecting the market to just finish off what it was doing. But then, as you can see, guys, this resistance that we have here, it's actually strong, but then just hoping NASDAQ is able to break that point so we can also. So guys, this was supposed to be your first trade So as soon as the market breaks out from that point, that's where supposed to be your first trade. And if you have missed that point, here's another opportunity that can come for you. Guys. That's if the market decides to break that point, as soon as the market is above this area, guys, that's when you can put your stop loss here and here, guys. You take this trade. You can see, guys, so if you have missed this trade, you can also take trade after the market is has broken out that zone there. So yeah, guys, as you can see, guys, this is what I see from NASDAQ. This is what I see personally, guys. But then if I'm wrong, you can tell me in the comment section. So guys, as I'm still talking, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Please show me love, guys, so I also have that energy to show you guys more stuff about the market, guys. So yeah, guys, so now let's just go to US30. So that's where we will end, guys. US30, guys. So guys, let's just see what's happening here, because I see an analysis on US30. Let's see if our analysis is correct or what. Let's see if our analysis is correct or what. Okay, let's just clear the chart and start over, guys. Guys, there's this thing that I've noticed. Some people, they don't clean their chart. You find that when you've done a beautiful setup, then you don't want to delete that setup just because it's beautiful, guys. Here, guys, this is not creative art, guys. If your chart may be beautiful, guys, your analysis may be nah, but then, guys, at some point, every time, guys, when you go to analyze, guys, you can't analyze on top of an old analysis, guys. You have to clean your charts, guys, so you can get the best movements, guys. If, guys, your chart is so dirty, guys, there's a lot of things, guys, there's an analysis for last month and things like that, guys, you won't be able to spot right opportunities, guys, as your chart will be full, guys, of unnecessary points that the market has passed long time ago, guys. We have to look at the future, guys. So the market, it's all about predicting the future, guys. So if you keep on holding back old analysis, guys, that will hurt you a lot, guys. So yeah, now back to what we are still doing here, still placing our major zones, guys, like we always do it, guys. So the skill, it's the same thing, guys. The skill is just the same, guys. So yeah, guys, now going to the next step of finding the trend, guys. So when you know the trend, it will be so easy for you to trade this. If you've got your trend, guys, it will be so easy for you to trade this. So yeah, guys, as you can see, guys, as you can see how USD is deciding to move, guys. As you can see, I want this zone, guys. I want to cater for this zone, as I can see that it can give us something, guys. So guys, let's just put this trend line there. So yeah, guys, if you know your patterns, guys, this is a pattern, guys. 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 If you know what you're doing, guys, this is a pattern, guys. If you know this pattern, but then if you don't know it, you can just text me and make sure that you get our PDF. So everything that I'm busy showing you guys here, it's available on the PDF. So already by doing that, guys, that's the direction that we are looking for. We're just waiting for USDT to respect that pattern, guys. If USDT decides to go down, it can go down, but then at the end of the day, guys, we know that the market has to give us what we want, guys. The market has to respect this setup, guys. It has to respect this. The market at the moment, it can play, it can go to a selling direction and all those things, but then, guys, at some point the market has to come and respect this pattern, guys, as this has been a very important pattern that the market always respects, guys. So yeah, guys, what can happen from now on? Let's just choose this one. So what can happen from now on? The market touches this, then comes. That's when the market follows our pattern that we are looking for. But then if it doesn't happen that way, then the market can just sell from that point, can just sell maybe to this area, but then at the end of the day the market has to come to that area there. So yeah, but then it won't just go there straight. So as you know guys how the market plays, guys, as you know how the market plays, so the market can go to that, come back to retest, go to that point, go to that point, then go to that point, go to that point, just like that until it gets to this point, guys, until it gets. So like I'm saying, guys, the market won't just go straight to the point. It will be busy doing what it has to do, guys. So yeah, that's it, guys, with the week's forecast, guys. So can you please subscribe, guys, and see you next time.